Hello, Jess here, and today I'm excited to be sharing a card using some cute products from the newest release from Gina Designs, so let's get started. I love bird watching, and one of my favorite times to watch them is around sunset, when they're getting their last bite to eat and singing before they tuck in for the night. I'm sure I'd also love birds at sunrise, but let's be real, there's no way I'm getting up at sunrise. So instead, I decided to create a Distress Oxide ink sunset for my birds. I started by blending antique linen, Victorian velvet, Seedless preserves, and black soot Distress Oxide ink onto a panel of Strathmore Bristol smooth cardstock. This is one of my favorite combinations that creates beautiful skies that are also a bit unusual. But those are definitely colors I've seen in the summer evenings. Next, I stamped the birdhouses from Gina K's Welcome Home with VersaFine and heat embossed them with clear embossing powder. Then I shaded them with toner gray Copic markers, focusing the darkest shades around the edges of the birdhouse and fading to white in the center. I was inspired by my super talented friend Alberto to use darker colors than I'm usually comfortable with, but I really love how they turned out and I think they fit the sunset scene nicely. Once I was finished coloring, I fussy cut the houses and then went over the edges with a dark Copic marker so that none of the white would show. There are coordinating dies for this set, but I kinda like the way the houses fit the scene without the die cut border. Next, I spritzed the panel with water and blotted off the excess. Then I splattered it with white gouache to create stars in my sky. I let the panel dry completely. Next, I stamped the branch, bird, and sentiment from Welcome Home onto the panel with VersaFine and heat embossed them with clear embossing powder. I adhered the birdhouses with a mix of foam squares and regular HG adhesive. I also added a few accents with a white gel pen, and off-camera I drew strings connecting the birdhouses to the branch with a Copic multiliner to finish the card. And that's it! You can find more information on the products I used in the YouTube description below or over on my blog. And make sure you check out the fabulous new release from Gina K. I have another card using the stunning Delightful Bloom set over on my blog as well. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, have an amazing day and happy crafting. Bye!